Hello everyone, this printer is HP MV 6122E 6122E on 6100 series. What I want to do is to show you how to replace the ink cartridges. Lift up the ink access door, then you wait. Once you leave the printer, the ink holder will move and position itself to replace the ink. Just push down the ink cartridges, push down the ink. To put it back, black ink goes to the right, so take the ink, go in. Once you are in, pull it up. Then do the same thing to the color. The colors one goes to the left, and also make sure the chip or contact part need to go inside. So go in. Once it's in, pull it up. You will hear a click. To remove it, pull it down, pull down to remove. Once you go in, then pull it up. Once you are in, pull it up. So this is how to replace the ink. Then close the cover and wait. It will show you checking the ink cartridges. So this is how to replace the ink cartridges. Thank you very much indeed.